Nobody is above the law, and they trust me. I mean, yes, I'm a president. May fire a lot of the police officers who were there. I will arrest those people who were captured in the camera. To serve as a deterrent. We NDC, we MPPU, we Bonia, in Ghana. You can't take anybody's life. You can't beat anybody. We are all one people. Immediately, I will ensure peace and fairness. Seriously, woman fairness and what we are seeing now will not be seen.
Kaswa. Hawa Koomson na Georgia ye wakaswa. Hawa Koomson. Sisi amidonyame kwahwe nipa obodi dem omugugu dem because of Hawa Koomson. Wo kasa sisi obafra boko boys abrɛw. Obabo utuo sisi police ni ntumi nkasa, obi antimi nkasa, oba abesia. Na wo ye twa wo nam kakra wo bekasa. Me agents me crofo eye adwuma wo ho nyina boy ba ko ma bono ne nsa right no ehi ye de no hospital wo mo ho obi apen wo mo say we are MPP ni you were a threat to us afeni omo kan say ba ko say yen twen 5 o'clock omo be pam obi afri ho electoral commission for no wo mo e kan wi a wo mo be pam won normal force presiding officer and said figures are omo apen on fan she ho wo mo atwitio and second and tio.
I call on the president to take action and all the people in charge of this country, the administration, to take action to bring the perpetrators to book. This is the only way we can deter this in the future. But we have seen them, and let me assure them that should they not be brought to book, we will not forget. They will be brought to book no longer, no matter how long it takes. We will not forget what has happened. We want peace in this country. This is not the democracy that Ghana wants to see.
Abusia enemy da EC was on the paper so abandon ewo ablikuma not say me no ka say dey abato no akoso mo dia hye so na abusia ensem ya epefi mu bande aye say yompo Hawa Koomson ko pie mo na bro ya pro man yes woni ente say ka cho Dr. Muhammad Bawumia am making reactions to ensem wa ekoso honorable Ken Apopepo Agyapong edna no abeto ensem no movie ene amafo be brand champion mu na ede wo ma no ato ensem na kire say ne ekoso no de no kwase me say entwe ye kwa na wei omo kire say ye kuku mponi na ye beso emu nsem ena me de ba beso ma meso so me subscribe to me de o na ha say they na upload it to the first person ya wonsa ebidikan akano say the body wa ensem no mu a ye koto aba on the 7th of January 2024 na ye kenkan we no kopie mu say ablikuma north there na ehoro no akwafa ye dindin ye pa na wo mutimi and declare MP so as it stands now no ablikuma north any representative ewo parliament house eno na ye franco ye fam na asem kopie mu okotini ade nyina fei e ko si se isi no esi ginaye se wo besan akoto aba no ewo 19 electoral areas na fei timi aboa no ama na keka aba nyina abom no timi e declare winner e de ma nipa wodi mu enkunim no isi e date le beto monten so na eye 11 July no NPP for eba bonten be kire se wo mu de wo mu ni re-election bia ni wo mu nim ene support e di kan aka asam na kire isi se wo declare winner no from NPP into no na wo mo hwe.
Okay, and even the elections are ECD 11th of this month, no? MSSR Momo plan for my national delegate conference.
Elections me.
And I say EC say okay rerun or is it 19 polling stations were Blikumanov?
MPP the account.
My boycott
Account. The man say a cut 3 polling stations as electoral commission will be now declare a candidate as winner. And the enemy no. And the name say and also na court to soak. The MPP there you
are not preparing to take part in any elections.
So Emma womu ko pie mu e wo port senka womu kwa kwaje injection e de ato abana e de yawa betu senka be ya Emma so nanso omude omasem ko da court no bo asem liftuku ye kire se isi no wotumi se otumi sai frɛ abato no fofo eni nti won ko no kwa de dwuma no nam so Emma MPP for SI SSA wo madwene ka se womu ko de na so womu frɛ de womu nyina ekokopie mu e wo ho etitire eni nti o party no se Samia Wuku Dr. Muhammad Baumia Brian Agyapong yema me Hawa Koomson mu nyina ekokopie mu e wo ho ne nia Ekofa Hawa Koomson ebro ede baaye any joy news for journalists okopie mu wa no so wo police ne sako ka no ene ne ekɔso wo ho ni nyina no eno ne abo ano a edi babaso ne edi kan no Hawa Koomson ekopie mu e wo ho a na ko de support ekwakota ni nya ba wo gina ede ama MPP for no echi.
Yes, they are supposed to be 2 at a time. And when I came, I saw one person, which I needed to verify and know why. But I think the explanation was that the other one just got up to excuse himself. But at every time and point, there should be someone on the standby, so that when the person is getting up, then he can take over for just some few minutes. Because within a second, anything can happen. So that was the concerns I raised. And so I'm happy he's come back, and I've also advised him that at least he should make sure that when he's leaving, there will be someone to just change over with.
So can you tell us how confident are you?
Oh, I'm confident. I know by God's grace, if it will come out. Yeah. You know, fortunately, or unfortunately, it's just 19 polling stations, which shouldn't have been, because and they can bulldoze their way through. And the general masses are also descending, and they know who they voted for, and they know who they are going to vote for. I believe my sister FPFU has gone to the people. She's been on the ground for all this while to talk to them, and I know they will vote for her. So I'm confident she will win. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Honorable, what's your thoughts around the process so far? Honorable, what's your thoughts around the process so far?
I mean, the other places have been very peaceful. I don't know why here they want to do intimidation. The people are ready to come and vote for a PFU. You are intimidating them. You are sharing money and still intimidating. What's your problem?
We saw somebody shout at you to leave the polling station. Is that why you are referring to as intimidation?
The polling station belongs to him.
To leave the four station.
Why are they also here? Why are they also here?
So clearly they are trying to intimidate your camp.
And we cannot be intimidated. We are not ready. We won't allow them to.
Have you reported to the police?
The police is there. We've reported to them. We've told them. They have seen all that is going on. They think because they are in power. Yes, we are ready. We are in opposition. We are ready to face them.
Interesting.
They are beating someone here. What? There's two of us here. Yeah. The police is stopping the people. What is he doing there? The serious here is that they are tough. Oh man.
Kaswa. Hawa Koomson na dia ye wakaswa. Hawa Koomson. Sisi amedonyame kwahwe nipa obodi dem omugugu dem because of Hawa Koomson. Wo kasa sisi obafra boko boys abrew. Obabo utuo sisi police ni ntumi nkasa, obi antimi nkasa, oba abesia. Na wo ye twa wo nam kakra wo bekasa. Ko Facebook ko sisi oba we ku wakaswa nyina, ye de abobo nipa tim se Tuareg. Tuareg ko Facebook ko resia miti da ho. Me PC papa bi honorable Felix na akoyo because of name oya GP or register too. Ba kwa tro me din na se one register din ya timi tum. Hawa Koomson ma ya de tumu o jane nursing baby eto dem e be ye demonstration wa ka ye ni anya dia kwa omu jeli akwala no. How dare you? Wo bro mla so. Oto aba wa ha register na da ho ni di wo mu.
Eno na Hawa Koomson ko bisa na busia na yenim so woma bo Hawa Koomson e de ato ho dade a ene se nsuo bo akase bo enkase kutem so sene edom egu oni embanti o beti ketiketi bi o monsa ekeka Hawa Koomson na nya so sianti sa de we di ye course adodo na e condemn se ade we di entwe no ene bi mo so ba wonti be kire se Hawa Koomson na so bo fata you na fata no ne ede no edisi edini se nam na sa so abra ye to about 2024 edom e prepare wo mo edi dem ebi kura nam na sa so every no kwenti se ne ono so kwa kopie mu ho no akwakwadi no bra na ese fatanti ene edi saafro no edi ama no busia enye Hawa Koomson kwa ene kodi emia e we election e kosumu join news for reporter back so no so kire se woti ne baby no kwade won ka bi chemu won ko be ya ade no won ka hwe won nyina ho obisa asem ye woti ne baby no hu ya se police officer di approach no o approach no bisa se woti ho ye de o come ko so be yi na no se won nyina no na so trust so se ubum
station now, no say you beat me after elections. My behavior, meteor, measure updates at the Beba. As a reporter, there, only find out sorry to be even now, sorry to be and I was there, and an inspector came to me asking me to move out from the premises. And I'm saying, oh, me a media person, I have even showed you my tax, everything, officially. And officer was asking me to move out. I said, no, I can't go out. What if I go out and something happened? Hey, he slapped me. See, my dinner tamo, my yano, my yanishe, man can't send me better and boss me say be a fee or almost say we don't go out and insult anybody. Mr. Menkodin, he slapped me. He said, I say, my chicks na aswa, and I mean, a shaky near a 2 million colleague or Joy FM. I pay Minia be or Joy for your bone now, when you are problem on that dream. She said, most of me shaky, and I mean, what they see after these elections. What does it? Yeah, media colleagues in the premises are almost for coverage. They were media guys, they were colleagues here. They did not offer the approach any of them, but me. Offer the approach any of them, but me, Banahini. Minim so what minim the media no mean them. And the minimum original sunti obomasu. As a media person, we are all watchmen. You're watching elections now. What do you say? BBC is not reporting. But you just came to me, approached me, jump on me, slap me in the face for no reason. So the crime mayor came to interfere in the case and he called the officer. And when I was there, I saw that this same officer was approaching the mayor. So I know Olimse or a mayor, so he was approaching him very harshly. I said, no, or a mayor. And he was or bad temper. Or very bad temper.
What's your full name?
And so we are way enemy the course so our electoral area our Ablekuma North NPP for is so say or Cheyi Enuti Dr. Muhammad Baumia Edna no Abetun Simwa watcher say near a course on the question say and Cheyi Bakukra say and a Dr. Muhammad Baumia so a canon Samuno is fine.
So, Your Excellency, what do you make of the violence at Ablekuma North now?
Thank you very much. The reports of what has gone on at Agyapong North this morning are very disturbing. This is not the democracy that we want to see in Ghana. Our supporters are being attacked by thugs in the presence of the police who have been unable to protect them. The candidate Agyapong has been attacked. Hawa Koomson has been attacked. Our deputy national organizer has been attacked. So many of them, Oko, Asante, many women have been attacked. At every election, we want to see that the democracy is being enhanced. And this is very important for the peace and stability of our country. You recall that the background to this particular by-election is that the police had told the EC that they were unable to provide security to collate 3 pink sheets, just security to collate 3 pink sheets. But for some reason, they were able to find security to conduct elections in 19 polling stations. And today, our people are being attacked with the police presence and unable to provide security. We don't want the country and political parties to start to think that they have to provide for their own safety. This would be a recipe for disaster if every political party has to raise their own army to give them protection during an election. But this is the message that is being sent. What we have to be clear about is that the people who have perpetrated these acts have been caught on video. I call on the president to take action and all the people in charge of this country, the administration, to take action to bring the perpetrators to book. This is the only way we can deter this in the future. But we have seen them, and let me assure them that should they not be brought to book, we will not forget. They will be brought to book no matter how long it takes. We will not forget what has happened. We want peace in this country. This is not the democracy that Ghana wants to see. And so it is very important that these sorts of terrible acts are not encouraged. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you, sir.
So, Dr. Dequery, and Honorable Ken, I compare for Agyapong, so Ego Piemu, and one name say about Honorable Ken, and Yama Hawa Koomson, the Amontamno, beef with the day before, and Yasam Ketwako, and Nagana for air to watch him, air chair at somewhat Honorable Ken, and the can all become not as old. Or only tia is seaports, and only mother could deport in a sea, and my what do almost Hawa Koomson, and also near Essendi or Condemnation and Chay, and Bakutabaya. Yema asumdwe eni
Can you over stand by? Listen, what you did they see? What you see? I do my country. Don't fight. Ah,
No, you need them. Oh, you didn't see.
Umukorano mahu munipano onokwa anani bwa munjira jana jana onokwa na wora ana mama ngaraja I don't know the people that are voting, but my concern was the violence. But so far they come.
Violence which you can actually myself said your tea said you now only what you said your tea
but the whole TV so action on a person said I know they crazy in the beginning. But by me TNBC from GMP for Ethiopia and I'm no good young person now baby baby back up fanche you know you just have to be nice to each other. In Ukraine I've not witnessed any violence. I cannot say and you know the media say a continuous say to 6 o'clock. That is not the end of
Ghana for we with GDA say question next year na oye una really as a father so be president ye win also ba allow some party boys. Let me put in that quote, party boys. So enko burun professor because I'm for just allow us to this year and into the revenge to say Abba.
See, there should be a cut-off point for all this. I believe in development, and you can only develop when there is peace in the country. They will ensure peace and ensure discipline. Nobody is above the law, and they trust me. I mean, president. May fire a lot of the police officers who were there. I will arrest those people who were captured in the camera. To serve as a deterrent. We NDC, we MPPU, we Bonia, Ghana. You can't take anybody's life. You can't beat anybody. We are all one people. The media, I will ensure peace and fairness. Seriously, fairness, what we are seeing now will not be seen. Why a reference say you see what I was so and then I'm afraid the young Sam John said the post and go they are nice with everybody. Your mom say 6 o'clock. But so far the police for
what do you reach out to Unia Bana Sabi Omodo Masaka no
come round baby even MP no grab me do on candidate we do on na cast or would the KMC and come round na class the one son so far the young man say by 6 na asumbiaba wa we need life still goes on.
Entemusia awamo ken na popoko Agyapong some ene yakwa kuti se dem dey kankan enyo no kware na say eye election in the Koomson 19 yaka no eye honorable Brian ene afi MPP for empanyfo wo be kasa fa ho nyina ena etwegu ya yedi eni e kwakwohwe bi yakoba enkomo e watire no yaba bidi
So I condemn violence, but please don't ask me to feel sorry for her, Koomson, because I'll be lying before you and before God. I don't feel sorry one bit.
She deserves it.
Interview her victims.
Go and ask her.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh yes, go and ask her. And also, I'm a victim of Hawa, Koomson. Ask her if I deserve the men that she brought to come and attack me. Yeah. Ask her the people that they shot and killed at Kaswa. And the organizer that died. Go and ask her the guns that she shot and people that did they deserve it? Yeah. If I move away, a parliamentary candidate, what they did to her, did she deserve it? And ask her, Koomson, the slaps that they gave to me when they were pulling me out of my moving vehicle to continue beating me. Honorable Amate from Teshi, he used to be the MC for Teshi. He came there, called him my Yawaso boy, because he and the wife came. He tried to intervene. They beat him and beat the wife also. You understand? Trying to save me. Ask Hawa Koomson, did I deserve it? If I didn't deserve it, but if I think that he thought I deserve it, so she brought the tax to come and attack me. So whatever happened, if I did, she deserves it better.
Thank you.
Me agency me nkrofo eye adwuma wo ho nyina boy ba ko ma bono ne nsa right no ehi ye de no hospital wo mo ho obi apen wo mo se we ye MPP ni you were a threat to us afeni omo kan se ba ko say ye ntwen 5 o'clock omo be pam obi afri ho electoral commission fo no wo mo e kan wi a one more pam one no more forcing presiding officer and he said figures are almost pen on fan share one more chichio and second and geo and air cost waha the air cost waha no electoral commission ya kan yo electoral commission ya kan ye say obi wa obi ewu wa blekuma nota na everywhere ni akoso no I said, look at here, one need to more than 800. Street point now blocking. Obian Kobebia. Chesa ni akosu wahano. Because police station libi. Me do hono. Se me nim na me si for ma. One more babo me. Minim na me see for me pese wo mo kume. I am ready. Se me see for mo bebo me. Ma me mba police station. Nyankopon ti ase. Na me ti ase.
Nsa busia we ene de course so e wo Aplikuma North ya ye de ababeso mo na. Ye nyina ye se by election e da yanim. It is a fourth republic na wo mind Ghana ye kwa koto aba e wo 19 electoral areas na se bibi sei etimi kosi wo hode a na no kwasam se entweye we 2028 enso da yenim ya ye kwa koto aba eno yo manmu ni nyina na se bia kakra bi mpo e na ehu sa de ya na 2028 na de yen e de bi hu se besre ye IGP se won fa ne nan ensi fom police ni bia o tire ne sa de ka obi ya wan fa kan no bra kwan so de won ni pakro no eni ne titiriw ene ye nwa central ni ya wakwakoe ne dwuma na police ni ene ne nsa akeka no entwe yie kura ne akoi de wo so o manga ne na esi eti ase e wo aniwuo mu ebi so kura e tire se MPP fo no so kura wo mu dio wo mu ka se wo mu nko interfere ye ne ba yo mu da ne wo wi ni nyina no eye ensem ya apie e wo Aplikuma North abatwa e koso no emu ne besa pie feature ba she mo bose mo maso ebu o ne besa ba na ye de ababe so mo mesere se obeja comment ɛwɔ video yi ase ɛdɔm na afei wɔn subscribe to me so ɛyɛ too much gh ɛyɛ aka sɛ ɔde bɛ ɔno bɛka ho sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ na upload mi so mpɛ wɔn first person yɛ a wɔn nsa ebidi kan aka bi all the social media platforms so kɔ hɔ a ɛyɛ too much gh wɔn subscribe na wɔn like na wɔn ahyɛ na wɔn nyɛ bi nso ɛnyɛ bi ahwɛ.